Hello and welcome to watching this video. In this video I want to show you how you can create visual effects and motion graphic with Videocopilot Saber. First we will learn how you can install and add Videocopilot Saber to your layer, and how you can generate option in Saber, and how you can customize core group and distillation group and glue setting and render setting group. After that you will learn how you can create wind in Videocopilot Saber and how you can use that, and after that you will learn how you can customize your glue setting in Videocopilot Saber, and after that you will learn how you can create non-animation. Here is just project, okay, and how you can change your logo to fire and how we can use that, and then you will learn how you can create visual effects. For example, here is fire twist with Videocopilot Saber, or how you can running like Flash with Videocopilot Saber. It's exactly like Flash running. And then you will learn how you can create 2D animation with Videocopilot Saber. And after that you will learn how you can create logo animation with Element 3D and Videocopilot Saber. And finally you will learn how you can combine echo space with Videocopilot Saber.